Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to do the daily analysis for today, uh, 4th of May 2026, and these are my levels. We have been in a bullish environment, all-time highs, yeah, and this is something like higher time frame balance high and yeah, balance low, yeah, you could see it right here. But we have some special levels inside, yeah, because they are with a good drop in the volume, drop off in the volume, yeah. So we could see it like this: um, a distribution zone, balance high, balance low, other distribution based on the overnight and compositive. This is the balance low, yeah. This is the balance low of one day and the compositive, and then if we accept that and the VPOC or volume POC, we could see a huge movement until here, or all-time highs. All-time highs is around 7,300 or something like that. This is not a good taper off in volume for a high, so I will not like to see this high supporting for shorts. And this is a poor highs, yeah. And this is very important. 5 a.m. and we have a huge sweep. We tried to accept this, but we didn't. So we rejected that level and we created a failed action setup right here in this level, because balance low, we go down, we went down and we go up, and then the retest is a failed action setup for longs in this case. The VPOC that I would like to put my attention is around 7,273 or above these highs for taking partials if I long, yeah, if I try to long. And based not in the volume profile but in the price action of 30 minutes time frame, we could see something like the same. Yeah, something like a balance right here. It's spending time around here with volume. We go down, we go up, support resistance to support, and we go up. Other thing that we have take into consideration for today is the gets or gamma exposure environment. So based on that, with the ERTH opened, we have in 0 DT and 1 DT or something like that, very close DTs. We have the 721 like the 0 gamma level, yeah, 0 gamma. The 720s, that's it, the put wall, yeah, and the call wall is around 728, yeah, something like that. But it's very important to see the open because we are around the 0 gamma level, so I don't have a very clear context based on this. If we create a bullish movement above 721, that is the gamma level, zero gamma level, I would like to see something like balancing, because it's Monday. Monday, it's not the best range for the weekly range. And if we open or we create a movement below this zero gamma level, so we are in a negative environment. And a negative environment, what does it mean? The dealer, has a procyclical hedging in futures. So if we are in a support, in a negative gets environment, maybe we could see the break of that level, because the dealers are selling bearish movements and buying the bullish movements. So they amplify the movement that we are seeing. The supports are not going to be the better support for longs because of negative gets environment. We could see the supports turn to resistance. For example, in right here, to 7,240, we could see a breakdown of that level if we are in a negative gets environment, and we could see this huge low volume node filling. So the filling should be something like the low of the overnight low and the 210. But if we are in a positive environment, I would like to sell these levels, this, and buy this, because this is a huge range from this to here. So we are in a positive gets environment. The most high probability is not to break those levels. So mean reversion. Trades searching for value, for the fair value. So that's all. Have a good day, session, whatever, and see you guys.